What is going on, guys? So it's been a while that I've uploaded a video, but I'm back, and today I'm going to be customizing the stock shift knob off my BRZ. Yes, the stock shift knob. Now you may be wondering, why is he customizing the stock shift knob? Why don't you just go buy a better shift knob, you know? Well, the reason is that I can't find myself spending $80 to $100 on a shift knob, and I don't really like any of them that are available. So, and I really do like the stock shift knob, it's just mine is really worn down. So that's why I'm going to be customizing it. I'm going to be painting the silver trim pieces, and I'm going to be painting underneath the little piece where it has the gears. It's like a dark gray, so I'm going to be sanding that down and painting it. But I'm also going to be restoring the leather, because the leather on my shift knob is really worn down. So I'm going to be painting the leather. I bought the specific leather paint, and it's black, so hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully it looks brand new again. And yeah, so let's get on to the video. This next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys me taking the silver trim pieces apart. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take this trim piece off. All you have to do is pry it up from all around here. And I have this little plastic pry tool. So there's like 4 clips, and you want to start off with one of them. Just pry right up here. And then you want to go all around, and this will easily come off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back once I have this off, and I'll show you what to do to take this part off. Alright, now that this is off, you want to take this top part, and you basically do the same thing kind of. You want to pry it like from one side. It's going to be a specific side because there's like a clip in here. I don't know if I can show you, but there's a clip in there. So you go to one side of that like clip or whatever, which would be like this side. You pry that side up. So you're gonna pry this side up, and then you're gonna go to the other side, the opposite side, and then pry that up, and it'll easily just all come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then show you what to do next. This is the clip I was talking about. That's why you want to pry one side, this side, and then keep that tool in there, and then pry the other side, and it will just pop right out. So to take this piece off, as you can see, there's like some adhesive under there. So all you want to do is use like a blow dryer and heat this area up a bit, and then you want to push it out from these 2 rectangles in there. What I'm gonna use is like a flathead screwdriver, and just slowly push this out, and just keep heating it up, and then slowly keep pushing it out. Alright, so a quick tip is that you have to be very patient with this. You want to like keep heating it up, pushing it out, heating it up, pushing it out from both sides. And once one side is very loose, all I did was just pry it up with my plastic pry tool, and then just slowly went around it on top, and then it easily just came off. What I'm gonna do next is just put some glue gun and remove all this adhesive and whatnot, and then after that I'm going to sand down this like dark gray color with 2000 grit sandpaper. You can't do anything about the silver numbers and the letter, but yeah, and the black ring is going to stay. And I'm also gonna lightly sand down the silver trim pieces, and then after that I'm gonna get ready to start painting all this. Alright guys, so here's all the glue gun off. Now I have my 2000 grit wet sanding paper and my water, and I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna remove all this dark gray paint, and yeah, I'm gonna do all the silver trim pieces as well. So see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so I'm done painting them, and it's been probably a day. I just let them dry. So here's this piece right here. Came out pretty nice. Then the top trim silver piece right here. And then the bottom trim piece. So now that that's done, I'm going to lightly sand this down. As you can see, it's kind of faded with 2000 grit sandpaper. Hopefully it does something, you know, remove some of this nasty stuff right here. After that, I'm going to be prepping the leather with this. And then after that, I'm going to be painting it with this leather paint right here. And I'm going to be using this brush to paint the leather with. So I'll show you guys a little bit of me sanding the leather down and a little bit of me prepping it and painting it. All right, now that it's all sanded down and dried up, I'm gonna start using this to prep up the leather, and then after I'm done wiping it all down with this cotton pad, I'm gonna let it sit so it could dry up for a bit before I start putting down the leather paint. All right, guys, so the leather is all dry now. I have my paint set up over here. I'm going to be taking it from the cap, and yeah. All right, guys, so I did about 8 coats of paint, and then I let this sit for like 24 hours. So it's the next day basically. So yeah, this is how it looks. I think it looks a lot better. It used to be this like faded black. So yeah, now I'm going to put all the painted parts onto the shift knob, and then we'll get to see how it looks. All right, so this is how it looks. I love how it came out. So right now, I'm not going to put the top piece on yet. So what I'm gonna do is get inside my BRZ and then screw it down until it's tight. And then I'm gonna put some super glue up here and then put the top piece, let it sit there for a couple minutes so it could dry up, and then you're good. All right, guys, so I tightened it down already. So now I'm going to put some super glue in here, set this down, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I'm loving how it turned out. I kind of have like a whole theme going on. Like I kind of want like all my interior blacked out. So this is a good add-on to my interior. But yeah. All right, guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.